back to my channel. My name is Corey and we are in part 3, 4, maybe 5 of this kitchen DIY budget kitchen renovation series. And today I'm going to show you guys how I built my own kitchen island. So if you want to see how me, who doesn't know how to do anything, built my own little makeshift kitchen island, keep on watching. So here's the kitchen beforehand. It's pretty much an open kitchen and it's open to the den, I guess you would call it. So I needed an island. I decided to go with this Lowe's sink base cabinet. Saw a couple people use this and transform it into an island, so I thought, why not? Let's give it a try. This thing is super cheap. I do believe it was under $70. So let's go ahead and get it put together. I read a lot of the reviews for it. It almost deterred me from buying it. The reviews are horrible for this thing, and it's because the pieces sometimes come damaged and the instructions. I cannot lie, the instructions definitely proved that the reviews were correct. Basically, the instructions that I received for this cabinet did not match the actual cabinet that was inside. Like the holes, so the instructions obviously have letters and pictures. It'll say this piece is piece A, this piece is piece B, and it'll show you the picture. Well, I did not have the corresponding letters. Like those two big pieces you see right now, they were lettered like R and L. And on the instructions, it says like A and B for the two big pieces. And then the two big pieces on the pictures of the instructions did not have the same holes where you're supposed to line it up. So it took me way longer than it should have, and I will say, if you don't just have common sense, it's not gonna work. And I'm not even trying to say that in any type of rude way. It's just seriously, the instructions were horrible. But as you can see, I mean, obviously we got it together. The part for putting in the doors was also horrible. It just kind of like has a picture, a tiny picture that you can't really see. I didn't know which way, the screws were supposed to go, whatever the case. This looks super easy right now, but it took a lot of trial and error. Next issue, here it is all put together. I just put a tabletop on top of it, literally a table that we have in the garage that's not put together. I put on top of it just for now to kind of see how it was going to look, but I don't know where to place it. I did make a short on my channel and show the different angles and the different areas I thought about placing it, and I got a lot of comments, and the comments were kind of all over the place. The best comment I got was to go ahead and put wheels on the bottom, so I can kind of move it around. So that may be what I do. As you can see, it has feet where I can kind of just slide it around for now, so I may not even do anything, just put it where I want it to be that day. So now we need to finish the back. All I did was grab a piece of plywood out of the garage that we used to paint samples on and just kind of fit it on there, sanded it, and we're gonna go ahead and paint it. I decided that I wanted it to be black to kind of go with the countertops that are in the kitchen. So I want to do a black cabinet, gold handles, and probably like a light stained wood top. So that's the look I'm going for. The black turned out beautifully. I used handles from the dollar store. Imagine that, my favorite store, just their plain little cheap handles. I sanded them really good. And after sanding, gave them a little wash and then sprayed them with the same spray paint and sealant that I used for my cabinet pulls. You probably saw them in the other videos, and they turned out beautifully. Okay, so here we are. We're not quite at the final project, but look at the handles. They look so good. I still have to sand down and stain that tabletop and then bolt it down. Probably do another coat of paint on here, but other than that, we're like right at the end of the process. We're almost there. I can see the finish line. But tell me what you guys think. Do you guys like it? Comment down below and let me know. So I have it right here for now. Literally, I change it all the time. So this is where we have it now. My favorite right now is horizontal. So like, what is that horizontal? Whatever. This way. That's gonna be my favorite so far. Right now, it's kind of going this way. See, this way across the kitchen. But I like it this way with the cabinets facing the sink. That's how I like it, and I don't know, that's probably what we're gonna do. I am going to put a garbage pull-out underneath there. Let me show you. So I'm gonna put this under the cabinet, and this is one of those things where it has a couple extra pieces where you put the garbage can, you open the cabinet, and it pulls out. Right now I just have a bunch of bags under here. So just bags, bags, and here's the other pull-outs. So it's gonna go in here like so, and let's see, when you open the cabinet, you'll be able to pull this like this, something like that, and the garbage can comes out. I don't know, I've seen them all over. Matter of fact, my mom has one in her house, so I know it's a thing. I just gotta get myself to figure it all out and put it under here. So let me know what you guys think about that. And if you've tried something like that yourself, or if you have any tips on where to put it, anything like that. You guys know I love every comment. I respond to every comment. And don't forget to leave a like, a comment, a share, subscribe, whatever you gotta do. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Real quick, it's editing me. Notice how the cabinets are open in the back? So I noticed that when I was first editing this, one was open, and I'm like, wow, how did that happen? Then when I came back to end it, they both were open. Now, 2 of my kids are home, but they were not in the kitchen with me. I'm starting to think that I have a cabinet ghost that's coming in my home and opening up the cabinets. Tell me what you guys think. Have you guys ever heard of a cabinet ghost? Do you own your own cabinet ghost? All right, bye guys. Hit the club for you. Light skin, got